everyone, welcome back to my vlog.
शुभो
तो आज हम लोग आए
चिकन
हैं
फ्राइड
पाक
राइस
में, है ना, पाक रेस्टोरेंट हमारा दार्जिलिंग का खाना खाने। आज बच्चे ने सैटरडे भी है, बच्चे भी बोल रहे थे आज जाना है करके ना, दे वांटेड टू ईट आउटसाइड। तो ठीक यहाँ पे हमारी दीदी और अजय सिलामू भी आ गए, है ना, after a long time. हाँ,
What is Mishna's real name?
we all are here.
हाँ?
इसीलिए
Cancel
हम
Lucho.
लोग आ गए खाना खाने।
Cancel Lucho.
Children. From
Mine also bad.
chili frying 당보 최老年版的油门听说hello
You ordered? Da.
this is good, yeah. Crispy. How is it? How is it? Spicy, no? It's nice.
It is not good. It's the best.
So they gave it to me. The Oreo shakes have come. Oreo shake. Oh, nice. दिखाओ तो इसका टॉप में शायद let him put. No, ama उलझे आता से. Nice, see? It has like one Oreo biscuit on top. How's the shake? Ishila? Huh?
It's good.
Good. You tried? 건드다. And इधर है मोहितो, वर्जिन मोहितो.
Vegetarian cannot drink juice.
Vegetarian. Okay. Chili chicken. Misla, kung lucky rin, misla yung kurani.
하단 내가 나 어저로 대한 사이드 진다 요래.
Okay. And here is the cheese ball.
I wish I had some.
बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है. क्रिस्पी भी है, बिल्कुल जो पैकेट का चीज बॉल है ना वैसे बना है, बढ़िया बना है. Let's taste.
That's all.
심하다. 이거 this is 얘들아. दिया कंगन है तो इसमें ना चीज नहीं है, मतलब चीज के साथ मिक्स करके नीट किया हुआ है, ऐसा कुछ है. शिंबू चीज फ्लेवर तो है. 스낵 또 신부 좋다. 정말 신부는 진짜.
신부는 요래요, 돼.
이만 그저 살아. 왜 신부통 있어? 샐러드 신부였다. 아까 춘이 어디 somtam. 최라 아이니마. 하이가 신부야.
Chicken flavors.
Okay, so this is papaya salad somtam.
Chicken cucumber sauce.
It is Spanish
So much green.
fried rice, chicken tikka masala, and butter naan.
Wow.
पाक का नान बढ़िया होता है. वैसे तो सब अच्छा होता है, लेकिन ये बढ़िया है. ये और इसका कॉम्बिनेशन.
Ooh. Thai sauce.
Oh, what sauce?
Right? It's fish sauce.
Eh, fish sauce 알았어?
Oh, okay.
Isla kanubain.
Hey, लो, सा अब
Okay,
चुना.
attack.
Okay, attack.
First Isla lupo.
इशिला कब से वेट कर रहे हैं नान? Oh, बिमा का है ना. 정말 좀 망쳤어.
망잘 났다.
Anila, di dala siya da?
Okay, ice cream time. Yeah, mixing strawberry.
She also give me the phone. No, that's not. Choco.
Both can नीचे flavors है
Getting a
मीठे don't getting it
me the bad is brother roll.
bad and brother rollers
Never sharing a.
देखो ये शिबिला ने दे दिया तो इसको तो 2.5 आइसक्रीम हो गया Oh my god. Finally. Look at this, guys. Okay. Unboxing. Show one by one, okay? All right, guys. This go. Let me tell you ये क्या है. Actually, a friend of mine and Puchung has sent बहुत सारे कैंडीज फॉर देम जो कि बहुत दिनों बाद इनको मिला है क्योंकि वो कुछ रीज़न से हम लोग वहाँ से लेके नहीं आ पाए थे दिल्ली तक पहुँचा था सामान तो आज अब दिखाते हैं क्या क्या भेजा है ओके कीप द बैग डाउन नो लेट्स सी व्हाट ऑल Ani Tunju has sent for you guys keep it there and show me one by one okay
Way down. Oh, there's so
वाला
much.
सा दुआ
ये एक ट्राइटन फंसा है
हाँ
Take a first.
ठीक है कोई
The first thing.
okay
हाँ सॉरी
M&M's.
all right so this is M&M okay keep it
Second.
हाँ बारी तुम सब दिखाओ
Sour Patch. Sour Patch Kids.
okay
Takis.
Takis this is Takis different huh Fugo
And goldfish.
show to the camera properly okay okay
And goldfish.
oh wow you guys were saying goldfish
Yeah,
क्या
yeah.
है ये goldfish
Like
अच्छा
it's like a goldfish inside. It's a goldfish. And tastes very good.
yes what else
Reese's Cup.
okay Reese's
Nerds Cluster.
oh my god nuts gummy cluster
And Haribo.
Haribo
Oh, it's all
okay
melted. Gluten-free Oreo.
oh wow
Mama, Anila bought this. Hubba bubba.
Hubba Bubba
Hubba bubba.
Okay.
Oh, this is a new flavor, guys.
show me properly
Hickory fig bar.
blueberry acha
Oh, Mama, this is a new addition.
oh flaming hot pops has come acha
It's spicy.
Feastables show me also in the camera
Feastable.
Feastables
Tony.
what is this
Tony. Gluten, you know. I hear this. Tony. Oh, it's big. So nice.
show here no you guys are not showing this is what truly okay
And next.
this is also Takis chota wala
This is
Takis
British fish.
okay my god और क्या है
Hubba bubba.
okay Hubba Bubba.
More goldfish.
show me oh it's a different flavor I think it's colors
And more goldfish.
goldfish acha.
One more Cheetos.
all the flavors of goldfish is here I think.
Cheetos.
ah so nice small Cheetos what is this Takis Takis
Too much Cheetos.
what the hell
Too much Cheetos.
Takis it's all Cheetos
Okay, done.
OMG oh my god look at all this
No, you should eat this first. Now we'll not eat this first. I know what to eat first.
okay come all three of you stand and what do you want to say to Ani Tunju
Thank you, Anna.
you guys are happy
Yeah, very happy.
so sweet of her no
Yeah. And she's the best Anila now.
Anila now
One
it
of the
is
best. What's this one?
okay so try something no and tell me how is it
We'll try Takis.
no they're confused what to try
Taki. I'll bring the knife.
no acha scissor
Okay. Give it. Now Mama is broken.
huh
Okay.
okay
I'm trying nothing Takis.
this is a different Takis it's same oh wait I didn't see okay
Sure. Okay. Give me one. I thought Anila bought that. That was very spicy. 1, 2, 3.
how is it nice
Dynamite only. Dynamite.
we've eaten this before Yana actually Yana ये सब चीजें बहुत महंगा है packet of Cheetos is like 1,000.
Look, Anila bought this big.
Ah.
This is pieces. But it is melted. I don't want to eat
We can keep it in the freezer, huh?
all of this. Let's keep.
No, just candies.
Yeah, chocolate. I didn't want to eat gold pieces.
Mr. Beast.
Let's
Feastable.
put all of the chocolates inside.
Yeah, you can put. Okay, first let me take a picture. Keep all nicely. हमारे छम्बला ने ये लेके आए हैं. It's a fridge magnet. It's a souvenir. Thank you very much, Chambala. Thank you. And I've received this Birkenstock also from Sunju. Thank you so much, Sunju. Really. Pegaso. It's very nice and very comfortable. I wore it today. आज पहना मैंने बहुत अच्छा था. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Little Cheetos.
TJ Maxx shop. Nice bag. ये भी यूज कर सकते हैं हम लोग शॉपिंग के लिए.